In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video using Vimeo, a versatile platform perfect for video hosting and sharing. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to navigate to vimeo.com. Once you're there, make sure you log into your account. If you don't have an account, don't worry. Creating one is straightforward and free. Simply follow the sign up instructions on the Vimeo homepage. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which is your central hub for all your Vimeo activities. Now that you're ready, look towards the right hand corner of the page and you'll see an upload button. Click on upload from computer. This action prompts Vimeo to open a new window or dialog box where you can choose the video file you wish to upload. When selecting your file, make sure it's saved in a Vimeo compatible format such as MP4 or MOV, as this ensures smooth uploading. With your video file selected, the upload process begins. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. Enjoy a mini break, maybe make a cup of coffee while you wait. As the upload continues, Vimeo opens a page for adding details and settings. Here, if you wish, take a moment to enhance your video's presentation by adding a captivating title and description. These elements not only help viewers understand your content at a glance, but also make your video more discoverable on the platform. Once you've set the details, it's important to consider who can view your masterpiece. That's where privacy settings come into play. Vimeo offers you the choice of making your video public, private, or viewable only with a password. Choosing public makes your video accessible to everyone on the platform, while private limits access to only those you choose. A password-protected video is a middle ground option where viewers must enter a password to watch. Choose the option that best fits your sharing needs and personal comfort. After your video finishes uploading, it's time to share it with the world. Click on the share button, which unveils several distribution options. At this point, you have two main methods to spread the word about your video. You can simply copy the provided link and paste it wherever you'd like, social media, email, you name it. Alternatively, if you want to integrate the video into a website or a blog post, Vimeo provides an embed code that you can use to place the video player directly onto your site. Both options are designed for convenience and accessibility, ensuring your video reaches your desired audience with minimal fuss. And there you have it, the straightforward process of sharing your video on Vimeo. With these easy steps, you're now equipped to upload and distribute your videos efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful and enjoy sharing your creations with your audience. Happy uploading!